Good morning, student. I, Dr. Prashant Sharma, welcoming to all. Before starting today's session, I introduce myself. As you know that I, Dr. Prashant, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, ITM Group of Institutions, Gwalior. In today's lecture, we discuss about the importance of human resource development, importance of HRD. What will be the importance of human resource development? In previous lecture, we discussed about the nature, scope and definition of human resource development. So, for continue to lecture, we talk about the topic importance of human resource development. Human resource development basically related with, as we know, human resource management. So in today's lecture we focus upon importance of human resource development. What are the importance and what are the research scope of human resource development? There are some exercise for your home assignment. So lot of things are available in today's lecture which are beneficial to you. इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में 3 चीज़ों पर हम फोकस कर चुके हैं, दैट कॉन्सेप्ट, डेफिनेशन एंड नेचर. सो आई होप दैट यू लर्न, you understand the concept of human resource development. After the completion of today's lecture, you will able to understand the concept of HRD and importance of HRD. ये two things are most important to understand the concept of HRD. Now we talk about today's topic, importance of human resource development. HRD का जो इम्पोर्टेंस है वो क्यों है, इस पर आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. वाई ह्यूमन रिसोर्स? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी डेवलप्ड एज पर द चेंज इन एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट. एज वी नो दैट देयर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ एनवायरमेंट इन an organization, external environment as well as internal environment. So both the environment are important in the context of employee or employer. So the human resource is required to be developed as per the change in the external environment. How the people are changed the external environment of the organization. External environment always affect on the external people of the organization, like customer. Hence HRD help, so the human resource help to adopt. Why they provide the help? To adopt such changes. Which type of changes? Through the development of existing human resource in term of skill and knowledge. They want to grow the knowledge and skills of their employee for existing human resource, the employee who are working in the organization. So HRD play a vital role for developing their skills. Which type of skills? Skill related with the technical, skill related with human skill, skills for behavioral means to enhance the skills. So main importance of HRD is related with the development of skills. A people having lot of type of skills, so HRD help to enhance these skills which are inculcated in human being. Now we talk about we see in a slide that there are some parameter in which we measure the importance of human resource development. We discuss one by one. First is performance improvement. Okay, we separately discuss one by one. Performance improvement, opportunities for training and development. How many opportunity, which type opportunity might employee avail? Change management, HRD develop competent HR. HRD creates opportunity for career development, job satisfaction and employee commitment. So we talk about one by one, we discuss about the one by one for regarding the importance of HRD. First point is performance improvement. How a people are improve their performance. So कैसे लोग अपने परफॉर्मेंस को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क है परफॉर्मेंस इम्प्रूवमेंट. हाउ द पीपल आर इम्प्रूव देयर परफॉर्मेंस. In present global market and lot of multinational corporations are operating a number of foreign subsidiaries located in different countries. So it has been felt that the such type of business can be managed if company is having motivated talent and dedicated manpower. This is not possible to get such type of manpower. For this, management has to put sincere effort to procure, develop and motivate employee. After the developing and motivating employee, we can increase their performance with the help of training. With the help of training and development, we increase the performance of employee. HRD develop the qualities, skills, knowledge of individual, hence it helps to provide competent and efficient HR as per the job requirement. With the help of human resource development, competent HR policy, the qualities, skills and knowledge of individual, it helps to provide competent and efficient HR as per the job requirement. To develop employment skills and competence, different training program and development program are launched. So first important thing which is related with the goals of human resource development and component of human resource development, that required training and development. With the help of training and development, people are competent. It is the basic importance of human resource development. Now we talk about HRD create opportunity for career development. It is the second important factor that human resource development create opportunities for career development. HRD help to acquire the career development opportunity by the development of human. Means we want to develop our employee, which type of development we want to develop with our employee as a technical skills and knowledge, not only the behavioral skills but as well as technical skills. Career development consists of individual development effort through a proper match between the training and development opportunity with the employee need. The opportunity which want to the grasp by the employee. So technical as skills and knowledge help them as individuals effort for matching between the training and development. Now we talk about third important factors like employee commitment. What are the employee commitment? Trained and efficient employees are committed toward their performance. As we know, if people are trained and efficient, they are committed toward their performance. They are not a lazy people. They do not act as a selfish people. They are committed their jobs, which is possible through HRD. If the people are committed, if the people are efficient, so who will make the people are efficient? With the help of HRD, with the help of development, with the help of training, people may be committed. जब लोगों को हम बेटर फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जब लोगों को हम ट्रेन प्रोवाइड करेंगे, if the people are facing lot of type of problem for utilization of the equipment, utilization of machines, so we help him, we train him, so the people will be committed their job, the people will be committed toward their organization. If employee of organization are provided with proper training, यदि कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपने एम्प्लॉय को प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग दे रही है एंड डेवलपमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी, दे विल फील कमिटेड टू द वर्क एंड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. और उस ट्रेनिंग के बाद लोग क्या करेंगे? फील करेंगे, कमिटेड फील करेंगे अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ कि द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गिव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, सो व्हाई वी आर नॉट perform my duties. So they should be feel committed to do work to their organization. Now we talk about the importance of HRD in context of staffing. One of the objective of human resource development is to acquire higher quality staff and reduce the costly effect of turnover on your business. When your business is known for nurturing employee skills and helping them reach their career goal, you will find that you have a better applicant pool for new positioning, since you will be attracting employees who are dedicated to improvement and growth. In addition to improving how your company is seen in the industry, your business dedication of HRD will help make current employees more loyal, so that they are less likely to miss work, slack off, or leave your organization. It is the most important things related with the employee commitment, which I discussed with you. I again repeat that the human resource development is to acquire higher quality staff and reduce the costly effect of turnover on your business. When your business is known for nurturing employee, most important line you keep in mind, if your business is known, आपका बिजनेस जाना जाता है फॉर नर्चरिंग एम्प्लॉई स्किल, उनके स्किल्स को नर्चर करने के लिए, आगे लाने के लिए, एंड हेल्पिंग देम रीच देयर करियर गोल, और उनको उनके करियर के गोल्स पर पहुंचा देते हैं आप. यू विल फाइंड दैट यू हैव, आप ये मानेंगे, यू हैव अ बेटर एप्लीकेंट फॉर द न्यू पोजीशन. आपसे अच्छा कोई एप्लीकेंट नहीं होगा. यू विल बी अट्रैक्टिंग एम्प्लॉय, आप उन लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करने लगेंगे who are dedicated to empowerment और growth, जो इसके लिए ही बने हैं कि उनको growth चाहिए, they required empowerment. Or your company is seen in the industry, your business dedicated to HRD will help make current employee more loyal. आप अपने current employee को भी more loyal बना पाएंगे, so that they are less likely to miss work. वो अपने काम को छोड़ेंगे नहीं, slack or leave your organization. Now we talk about importance in business development of employee commitment. HRD also important for developing your business in the present, whether your company sell product or offering services. Your employee will be the heart of your organization, ensuring they have the proper skills, and continuous monitoring their performance is essential for gaining and keeping customers and establishing your company positively in the community. If HRD is implemented in a right manner in your organization, whatever you sell some product or you offer any type of services, so they have proper skills and continuously, and your HRD manager continuously monitoring their performance, it is essential for gaining and keeping customers and establishing your company positively in the community. Now we talk about next point, change management. HRD provide planning and management to change in organization. Management to change, it also reduce conflict through improved labor management relation. If you manage better relation with your employee, then you will be able to reduce the conflict with the help of employee-employer relationship management, with the help of labor management relation. It develop organizational health, culture and environment which lead to change management, which will be helpful to change management. And a very important aspect with the change management, related with the change management, competitive advantage. The importance of human resource development can also be seen in how your company a competitive advantage. How a focus on developing employee can give you a superior workforce. It also help you ensure your company is prepared to meet demand and challenges in the future. How you prepare your employee to fulfill these type of challenges which will be faced by your organization in future. So in the change, with the help of change management, with the management of employee and employer relation, you also manage these things. Now we talk about next point, opportunity for training and development. Which type of opportunity are providing for the HRD? Training and development program are tool of HRD. They provide opportunity for employee developed by matching training need with the organizational requirement, which I already discussed the requirement which is faced by the organization who fulfill these Moreover, HRD facilitate integrated growth of employee. Integrated growth means overall growth. ये नहीं कि केवल एक ही सेक्टर पर हम ग्रोथ कर पा रहे हैं. फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ और मेंटल ग्रोथ, सोसाइटल ग्रोथ means integrated growth of employee through training and development activity. Means most important activity is training and development activity. Due to development of science and technology, industrialization started, as we know. So further improvement in those brought better machines and techniques. Due to the globalization, pressure to the focus in the cost reduction, the short production time, quality of product and services. In this situation, unskilled person cannot drive in the particular situation. So a lot of difficulties to work on the latest technology unless a person is trained. The quality and quantity of performance cannot be improved even the organization may have machine and equipment of latest technology. With the latest technology, people can work at a distance or at a home also. So the training and development is necessary tool. So opportunities for training and development. To survive in this critical situation, again support of trained and motivated people is required. Without development of human resource, it is not possible in the present time to stay in competition with multinational corporations. So this has increased the importance of competent human resource in the market across the world. So there are a lot of type of opportunity providing by the training and development. Now we talk about the performance improvement. We discuss about the performance improvement. HRD develop necessary skills and abilities required to perform organizational activities, such a result of which employee can contribute for better performance in an organization. This lead to greater organizational effectiveness. How we achieve performance improvement? HRD develop necessary skills and abilities required to perform. For which requirement? For requirement of performance. Organizational activity, as a result of which employee can be contribute for better performance as an organization. This lead to great organizational effectiveness. Now we talk about the compensation. Now we talk about the employee empowerment. It has been felt that such type of business can be managed if the company is having motivated and talented dedicated employee. This is not possible to get such type of manpower. For this, management has to put sincere effort to procure, develop and motivating employee. So this is the importance of HRD. So now we take quick review about the importance of HRD. First, I share with this pyramid: performance empowerment, opportunities for training and development, change management, HRD develop competent HR, HRD create opportunity for career development, job satisfaction and employment commitment. These are the importance of HRD. So it is the important, these are 7 measures, 7 importance of human resource development. So this is all from my side. if you have any query, you always I always see my video that after when you came in my webinar. So we discuss the importance of HRD and what are the importance of HRD in the context of performance management. The second question is very important. Then when you discuss about the HRD in the context of performance management, so you are able to understand the concept of performance management. So if you have any type of problem, you are facing any type of confusion, if you have any query, I always said that you call me, you mail me. Thanks a lot. This is the research scope. These are the some references. So I suggest you that you should study very good books. Thank you. Thanks a lot.